Happy birthday.
What are all those balloons?
Happy birthday.
You're a little tired.
What do you see?
Let's see if he sees this. Look at your new car.
What do you see, buddy?
Wow.
What is that?
Is that your new car? Do you want to ride it?
What is that?
Is it?
What is that, buddy?
Beep beep. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come over here, or I'll take it. Let's get his face.
I got it.
Thanks. Nicholas.
Nicholas, what's this?
Do you like your new truck or bus?
What do you see? What's that? I love balloons.
Wow. It's your birthday, Nicholas. A year old.
You're a big boy now. Happy birthday.
I can't see you because of the balloon. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Aww. Are you happy? Hi. Hello. Is that a balloon?
It's your birthday, buddy.
Maybe
You go
Daddy
for
will give you a
in your
ride.
truck.
Beep beep. Hi, Nicholas. All right, drive to Mommy.
All right, here, let go of your balloon. Here, watch it, watch it.
No, he doesn't want to let go of the balloon.
Okay, look at Mommy.
Nicholas,
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy.
come here. This he wants the balloon.
Here. There's your balloon. It's your birthday, so you can cry all you want.
Okay. Whee, here he comes. Wow, that's a pretty cool truck, huh, buddy? Do you like it, Nicholas? He just woke up, a little tired.
We put that together with a corkscrew and a rolling pin.
Yeah, we'll have to remember that, Nicholas. Mommy put that grill on with a corkscrew knife. All right.
Everybody loves balloons.
Look at all the balloons we have. Blue's Clues balloons. Blue balloons.
It's
Okay.
all for you.
Say bye-bye. Well, who's that? Molson. Okay, say bye-bye, birthday boy. We'll get more later.